so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself.
Tjena, då är vi här i Värtahamnen. Väg till Ystad, ett äventyr. Häng med här.
Yeah, and now in English. Yeah, we go on the Symphony.
There's so many boats.
Yeah, a lot of boats. But we are going to Ystad and then Visby.
When I'm in this town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City
Just find this slot machine.
Yeah.
Stop playing.
I need a seal. It's calling me.
You know what, honey? I will get you a seal. That's the last thing I
Thank you. Oh well. Interesting.
Here we are.
Here we are. Woohoo! Open. It was green. Oh, okay. We have fruits.
But I ordered this for you.
Thank you. You're very nice.
Because I'm such a lovely boyfriend.
Because you are such a lovely boyfriend. Okay. But before, let's look at the view. Yeah, so that's the hamn, and that's basically the room with some boyfriend gift through it, and that's the
With a perfect obstacle.
exactly.
Alright.
All right.
Not bad at all.
No, I like it. It's really nicely done. I don't know what they renovated, but
And you know, the floor perhaps? Or?
the floor definitely.
So yeah, that's the info desk. We can what now?
Is there a movie up there? Yes, there is.
God, everybody's tossing themselves to eat.
They might be hungry.
Come on, it's not that, weird at all.
Yeah, but let them eat. I mean, they're gonna eat less later.
No. Oh yeah, the wine bar.
Oh, yeah.
I think you can buy, you can try, you can buy bottles.
Yes. Oh, that guitar is just overpowering every, sound that. Don't even know if you can hear what we are saying.
Well, let's get you some wine.
Oh yeah.
Pour some wine with you.
Yeah.
You know what? I get a glass of the Chips sparkling wine for
Yes.
free. Not free, but you can have it if you like.
Yeah, it's okay.
Now start the trip with some bubbles.
With some bubbles. Yeah, we can do that. Woo. Sure.
So the camera will be more and more shaky. You can see, you're pouring a glass of whoa.
Nah, it has stabilization. It's fine. I can drink as much as I want.
It's calling me.
So that's a beer with cherry. Kirk. And that's the cherry on the top. I'm pretty sure we are near the port now, so it's time to grab ourselves in. It's a very cultural town. We don't know yet what we're gonna do, but
And we can you can enjoy the small town life.
Yes.
You can have a coffee. Perhaps enjoy something to drink, and you can watch a lot of old buildings.
Yeah. And I guess this is what we will be doing.
Oh yes.
We have how many hours?
5.
5 hours.
I think so.
And then we have to come back.
Yes.
Because otherwise the ship leaves without us.
It does.
Be free! Take over the city. So that is the Abbey. The thing is that the city is so small. It's very reachable, everything by foot, or on foot. Sorry, not by foot.
That's why I find it funny that we need signs.
But it was very hard to find it. did you say?
Nothing.
Oh, what did you say?
Didn't spill any secret though.
Oh, what did you want to tell me? No, tell me now.
Oh, you're gonna start with the herbs. Huh?
Oh yeah, that's how my garden will look in like 5 years. I will have a nice summer house, and this is how it will look. How about that? This sounds great.
So it sounds great.
I had my fun. Is this what you are trying to say? I looked at all the gardens and now that's it.
This is a chestnut.
This one, I'm not sure actually. My brother would know.
Yes.
Yeah, he would. Alright, that was very nice.
It was very, nice.
It's a very cozy garden. That's for sure. What a big, I mean, converted to the size of the city. What a big square we see in front of.
Some reaction with very little payoff. That's very proportional.
It's a very proportional square. Oh, look at that.
Oj, här kommer polisbuss.
Yeah, it's a police bus and there is a.
Ja, vad har vi här då?
Pretty nice.
William, ska du investera i en ny bil?
That was fun. This is where they make them. All of these things are made there. It's actually amazing. I haven't asked how much these things are, but I mean, it would be nice to sort of support local business a little, don't you think?
Yeah.
Nah?
We can support later.
Okay, we can support later. But I like to do that. It's amazing that they are still doing these by hand. It's really, really amazing.
In
just carry it around.
Yeah, it's not fun to carry it right now, but I tend to do that. It's, you know, it's local business and you should support them. Now here we go. The huge square compared to the size of the city.
There we go.
Okay, here we go.
It's like a vibe.